Hello and welcome back to Criminal IP Search 101. Today we will introduce the AS name filter and how users can benefit from using this filter. We will show you some examples on how to use the AS name as well as what kind of information can be found with it. First, we will be accessing Criminal IP and searching with AS name. But before we move on, let's first discuss what AS name stands for. Whois is a very important part of IT assets as it refers to Internet asset owner identities and information. AS name finds the AS information which is part of the package of Whois data. The AS in AS name stands for Autonomous System, and by using this filter we can find general Whois information. In this example, we will be searching for Yahoo's IT assets to show users how useful this filter can be. As we can see here, we have a total of 2,466 results of IP addresses registered under Yahoo, with all these servers scattered in Japan, Taiwan, Singapore, etc. Top AS name also shows other names associated with this search result. If you want to search assets owned by Yahoo's Taiwan branch, for example, you can either press this AS name or input this phrase in the keyword section. We will show you another example by inputting cloud, a general keyword, into AS name. As you can see in the results, we get a lot of results of IT assets with different Whois information. Most of these results lead to websites hosted on cloud servers. This keyword can help users find different cloud IP servers found all over the world. Users may use this filter for either personal curiosity, their research, and for the professional to find vulnerable and neglected IT assets. That's it for today. We will see you next time with another search tip.